Amazon FBA, dropshipping, or selling on Shopify. Three different e-commerce business models, but the problem remains the same. How do you find a great product to sell online? If this is an issue that you're facing, then this is the video for you, so let's get started. Welcome back to the channel, and if this is your first time watching a video on this channel, hi, my name is Crystal, and I'm the founder of Amazon Sellers Society and Sellers Society, your go-to Amazon agency here in the Middle East. Now, to find a great product to sell online, well, that's not enough, because you have to find a great product and then you have to validate that that product will succeed on whichever e-commerce business model that you decide to sell on. Now, since we are specialized in Amazon and everything we do on the channel is about Amazon, I'm gonna be focusing on Amazon. So let's get started with product criteria. Here are some 4 product criteria that you need to think about prior to starting your product research journey. Number 1, price. Price, how much do you want to sell the product for? Remember, the lower the price, the easier it is for you to sell the product, and the higher the price, the harder it is for you to convince a customer, and you're gonna need really good skills in marketing. Number 2, mass target. It's always a good idea, specifically when you sell on emerging marketplaces like Amazon UAE, Amazon Saudi Arabia, Egypt, as well as Turkey, where we help and support sellers. It's always a great idea to sell to mass markets so that you can have lots of different targets of audiences that you can target. So try to shy away from very specific and niche products. Number 3, the wow factor. Certainly when you're selling standard products, you also need to think about having some sort of wow factor within your product so that you can attract customers. Maybe in business you might call them unique selling points, something that gets you to stand out. And number 4, need product versus want product. So it's very important, specifically if you are a private label seller and you're launching your very first product on Amazon, you want longevity for that product. So it's important that you're selling a product that customers need rather than a product that customers just simply want. What is exactly the difference? So a need product would be a product that solves a customer's problem, and this problem exists all the time. So it's something that they're actively searching for. A want product is more or less something maybe they're passionate about or something that is currently trendy. As an example, this cool barbecue set is actually a want product. Specifically, if you intend to barbecue this summer, you certainly need something to help you with, well, barbecuing. So it does solve a problem, but it also can be positioned as a want product if you follow the criteria correctly, because certainly there are a lot of people that are passionate about cooking and barbecuing as well. Product research. So now that we're done with the criteria, how exactly do you find the product? Well, of course you can utilize tools, and I've got a lot of videos on the channel about how you can use tools, but you can also use organic channels in order to find products. Enter TikTok. Yes, TikTok is a powerful app on your phone which you can use in order to find great products. Number 1, I would suggest to create a brand new TikTok account so that it can be your product research account. Number 2, when you are scrolling on TikTok, make sure that you engage with the products that you really like. Add a like, maybe share, so that TikTok and the TikTok algorithm can target you with other things that are the same thing, certainly on your For You page, and also ads that are similar to whatever content you are looking for. So this would be a want product. Of course, ice cubes are something that we need all the time. However, this particular product is something that is gonna go out of style very quickly because it's somewhat of a gimmick product. Whereas this product is definitely a need product. Everybody needs a salt and pepper shaker at home. However, this is also framed as a different type of product because it's electronic and it comes in a set, so it's quite interesting. Validate the product. Now that you've found an interesting product on TikTok, you need to validate it, meaning you need to figure out whether or not the data shows that it's something that you should be selling on Amazon. Enter tools such as Helium 10. You know, I talk about Helium 10 all the time on the channel because it is one of the best tools to use when you are selling specifically on Amazon in the UAE. You'll find our discount code that gives you 20% off of your Helium 10 subscription in the description box of this video. How are we going to use Helium 10? So I'm going to go into the Helium 10 tool and I'm going to use one feature called Magnet. The idea of Magnet is I want to see if anyone is using the keyword salt shaker, salt or pepper shaker, so that I can know the demand of this product on Amazon. First of all, I'm gonna select the Amazon marketplace that I wanna sell in. In this case, I'm gonna put UAE. Let me just add salt shaker. There we go. Also, Helium 10 has suggested it. And I'm gonna click on Get Keywords. So what's gonna end up happening here is I'm gonna get the same exact keyword that I've added, and I'm gonna get the criteria for it, but I'm also gonna get a lot of keywords that are relevant to this particular keyword. Maybe I used the wrong keyword. What I really care about is search volume, so I'm gonna click here, and I'm gonna get the highest to lowest search volume. Salt being the highest search volume, but salt is salt, as you know. So it has 2,621 searches. For Amazon UAE, this is acceptable. We normally like to have 300 search volume for most products. Pepper grinder has 116. Salt and pepper grinder has just 115. I'm not really sure that this particular product has a lot of demand. Let's actually go to Amazon.ae and let's look at the products that we can see under salt and pepper shaker. Now this product, which is just selling for 19 dirhams, is selling, according to Amazon, 100 units in the past month. So not really that bad. This product is selling at 50 units per month. It's not a lot of sales, but it's certainly depending on your initial criteria and what you want to do, but that's how you validate products. So we used TikTok, then we used Helium 10. Lots of different methods to find great products to sell on Amazon. Let me know what you think. Leave your comments in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video as well, because it supports us. I'll see you in another video with more information. Bye.